Namaste, friends. Welcome to Jewel Buzz Talks. It's my pleasure to welcome Mr. Abhay Ramka, partner, The Art of Silver. Namaste, Abhay bhai.
Thank you.
Always
Namaste.
a pleasure to be with you.
Same here. Thank you.
You know, Abhay bhai, let's get into the flavor of the month, the flavor of the year, silver. Silver jewelry, especially gifting articles, are simply surging. So with all this, buzz around silver, the buzz especially at Art of Silver is what we want to know.
So after doing a lot of work at Navkar Sterling Silver, I used to import silver jewelry. Then I realized there is some flavor which is missing, which is जो Indian taste में adapt नहीं हो पा रहा है. So I decided to start a factory where I can make a concept of leg chain with a taste of international taste with Indian designs, and that's how I started Art of Silver.
So Art of Silver has sort of done research to adapt to Indian consumer needs.
Yes, definitely. There were a lot of design concept which were done. एक साल तक इसके ऊपर research चला था. We did a lot of concept designing onto it.
Okay.
We gave it to our friends to try, check whether they are liking it or not. After that, we launched the product.
So Abhay bhai, despite all the designing, all the creativity, at the end of the day, what matters is high quality manufacturing technology, high quality control. So what is happening at the Art of Silver factory? If you could take us through it.
Please come.
So now where do we go from here?
I'll take you to the designing department. Come.
So take us through the processes.
Definitely, why not? So ये designing section है. They do a lot of designing. CamCat का designing यहाँ पे होता है. This is how the process is. Once you finish the designing, जो पायल के ऊपर के embellishment लगने हैं, she's doing the designing here. उसके बाद में इसके अंदर इसके design बनते हैं. Computer automated designs बोलते हैं इसके. Once you finish with this, there are multiple designs that they do it. कुछ trial होते हैं, कुछ casting होते हैं, उसके ऊपर check किया जाता है. And then
so these ideas, figures of God, everything
we are trying, everything. And then from here we make multiple pieces out of it. Where the next process is the waxing department.
So let's move to the waxing.
Please. Yeah, this is the waxing department. यहाँ पे इसके wax के जो वहाँ पे पीस बने थे उसके multiple pieces निकालते हैं इसके ऐसे. So you have a mold here, rubber mold. Like this. इसके अंदर इसके multiple pieces निकलते हैं पूरे.
Okay.
And they take multiple pieces out of it and they make a tree out of it. एक इसका ऐसा process बनता है जिसको बोलते हैं tree.
और फिर उस पे
इसको they put it in a flask now. I will take you to the flask section now and show you कि इसके बाद का process क्या है. This is how they make it.
Okay. So next one we go to?
Casting department.
So now we're the next phase, casting. Take us through the processes, Abhay bhai.
So since you have seen this tree, the wax tree downstairs.
Okay.
So इसको ऐसे flask होता है इसका. You take the flask.
So you put this.
You put it reverse like this. Tape it up. इसके अंदर आप पूरा POP डाल के इसको close कर देते हो. This is how it is. Take it out बच्चा एक बार बताओ.
Okay.
This is how it is. And then the wax, इसको you keep it overnight for heating. उसके अंदर से wax पूरा निकल के the gap आ जाता है.
The lost wax method.
The lost wax method. And then you put it in the vacuum here. And there is that silver that is getting heated there. वो उठा के आप इसके अंदर silver pour करते हैं. जो gap में जहाँ पर जितना wax था वो जगह पे same आपको tree आ गया है. Once the tree is ready, we take it to the filing and polishing department. Yes.
So let's go there then.
Please.
So Abhay bhai, buffing, polishing, a lot of things happening here, a lot of action. Take us through.
So you have seen the casting plant. Once the casting is done, the tree comes down. they cut it into pieces like this.
Okay.
This is the leftover pieces of the casting tree.
I got it. This
And
one.
you've got multiple pieces like this. You see here, इसने पूरे कट कर के छोटे-छोटे पीस करके रखे हैं. Once you complete with this,
Yeah.
इसके छोटे-छोटे finished product इसको finish करते हैं, ये filing करते हैं. This come to the filing department. They make it a proper finishing product here. So इसको cut कर करके they are accumulating one small pieces so that they can solder it together. The next department is soldering. I'll just show you. It fell down. So that you understand. See the way he's filing it. He's giving it a clean finish. So that it does not poke to anybody. Smoothness जितना अच्छा रहेगा उतना product nice होता है. We see to it that we make it the product very nice and easy to wear.
So now,
उसको वहाँ पे करके छोटे-छोटे pieces को he is joining it together. Can you see it? He's soldering it.
yes, okay. I can see the
दिखाओ एक
flame.
मिनट यहाँ ये एक बार दिखाओ इसमें ये छोटे-छोटे pieces को तो वो जो छोटे pieces थे this is how it is.
He links them together.
हाँ he links them together shoulder करते हैं इसको पूरा and then इसको वापस filing करते हैं so that जहाँ shoulder हुआ है touch हुआ है it becomes very smooth nice and easy. Can you see?
You can't irritate
Feel
the
it.
consumer when wearing exactly.
Once it start poking you lose that you know कि हमारा product अच्छा है nice finished one. Next after this goes all for these things. इसमें जब तक स्टोन नहीं लगेगा तब तक जान नहीं आएगी. This looks so dead.
Correct.
You see, जब तक स्टोन नहीं लगेगा ब्यूटी ग्लैमर मेकअप यू से
Now the soul of the piece comes.
Yes. इसके बाद इसके अंदर जान लेके आता है.
So we go to the stone.
We go to the stone setting department.
This is the stone setting.
Yes, this is the stone setting department. So this is how they do it. This is the stone is called mercasite.
I've heard it. Yes, I've heard
The luster of this does not come down. Usually this is a fusion of Indian and international taste together.
I see.
Yes. You see, he's doing the stone setting on it.
So the Indian consumer is attracted to marcasite of late. Is that a trend?
So marcasite was usually from Thailand earlier.
Exactly.
Thailand earlier. What I realized was कि Thailand में पूरी international designs बन रही है. Indian taste. जैसे बोलते हैं ना पिज़्ज़ा और इटली में बहुत फर्क है. पिज़्ज़ा आपको बाहर घूमोगे 2-3 बार खाने में मजा आएगा. But then Italy is the flavor of India. Designs is such that Indian should like.
Correct.
ये उनका feel, उनकी पसंद.
So the
This is how we
marcasite
do it.
from Thailand trend with Indian.
With Indian fusion. So we did that combination together and it is doing deadly now. See this. This is unfinished product though. This is MOP along with that.
Oh, this is the mother of pearl.
Mother of pearl, yes. This is mother of pearl. We use Swarovski stones here on this. Can you just see this?
This Swarovski.
Yes, Swarovski. This is before polishing.
And by the way, I must tell you, I've been doing a bit of research and talking to people across the country. They say especially Gen Z millennials are going for color.
Color ones and they want sleek designs. They want sleek design. Only for the wedding they want broader one. We are also doing wedding concept along with this.
Lightweight and color are the two trends.
Color.
Possibly
Yes. Gen Z को जो पसंद आए ना उनको चाहिए sleek, beautiful, elegant.
elegant.
That's how it is.
Correct.
Yes.
And also, you know what? They are buying multiple ones so that various occasions they can wear it for. That is the
They want it now. They don't want it heavyweight one. They want to change their styling here, there, everywhere now. I'll take you to the polishing department.
हाँ भाई. So we are in the polishing section, right? So take us to the procedures. क्या चमकेगा इधर?
यहाँ पे चांदी चमकेगी, ग्लैमर आएगा. After once the process is done there, इसमें हम लोग एक ऑक्सीडाइजेशन करते हैं. ऑक्सीडाइजेशन के लिए yes, I should tell you. The kind of alloy that we use, the kind of chemicals that we use are all of international standard. The way Pandora is using, the Tiffany is using, हम सारे वो standard use कर सकते हैं so that we meet that international standard. We need to be all class apart from everybody who's manufacturing it.
And so people like Tiffany set the standards of.
Yes. You see the chemical that we use.
This is for oxidation.
For oxidation. This is from Germany, Hemlitz. One of the best chemical. And alloy that we use is also from there. So once you do the oxidization process, they do a little bit of buffing and shining onto it.
Oh.
I'll show you a couple of.
And this is the oxidized.
Oxidized finished product. Check this out.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Check this.
Which stone is this?
This is CZ.
See that.
CZ. You see a small dangler shining on this. Yes.
I mean,
It's
small touches.
Small touch, and this need a lot of process to make one anklet. Did you see the whole process? After this, we take everything to the QC. This is not over yet. इस बार QC होगा पूरा. इसके stone कितने निकल रहे हैं? We will check it. There are people who are doing it. I'll show you that.
So quality control. After all the technical excellence, creativity and design, इतनी मेहनत के बाद हम पहुंच गए क्वालिटी कंट्रोल. तो भाई क्या हो रहा है इधर?
After all the hard work, ये चेक कर रहे हैं पूरा the way everything stone is in place or not. एक बार इसको टैप करके चेक करते हैं यहाँ पे. फिर से 2 बार 3 बार टैप करके चेक करेंगे. The stone is in place. कास्टिंग बराबर हुआ नहीं हुआ, फाइलिंग बराबर हुई नहीं हुई. ये सब
Buffing, polishing, सब.
buffing, polishing, everything, including the lobster lock. I must tell you one more thing. The kind of prices that have gone up in silver, we have come up with a concept जहाँ पे सिल्वर और वुड का फ्यूजन की ज्वेलरी बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिए हैं, आर्टिफैक्ट्स बना रहे हैं, मिनीचर्स बना रहे हैं. The kind of cycle that we've done. So this is wood along with the silver, and we made beautiful tabla. You can also see this.
तो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव बन जाते हैं.
Cost effective, yes. It looks a bigger in piece, good for gifting. And look at the guitar. This only has very little minimal silver in it, but then piece is very bigger in it.
टॉकिंग ऑफ गिफ्टिंग, सिल्वर गिफ्टिंग का जो सर्ज आया है
है.
मार्केट में, टाइडल वेव, सुनामी, जो भी एडजेक्टिव्स है यूज करो.
Thanks to gold ka prices that has gone up.
It's triggering
Silver
this
is triggering now. Yes.
So everything's ready. Now ready to go to market?
Yes, definitely. After all the hard work, it comes for packaging. Once the packaging is done, this is how we pack it. It comes to the big boss here. Sakti nahi, Shine Sakti, the lady luck, who've been working with us. My wife Poonam and Yogesh की wife है Hema. They've been working with us for last 10 years. ये लोग बाद में QC check करके they make weight invoice बना के they dispatch it to the market here. We have made couple of bangles for one of the customer. Customizedly done. We make customized designs. We have done couple of foot rings for them as per their requirement. Now, the real flavor, the real touch.
I see.
Yes, now you see. You've got about more than 400 designs ready as of now.
So, you know, I've seen technical excellence, I've seen manufacturing excellence, I've seen creativity, CAD designing, I've seen quality control. But you know, there is this one ingredient that is not clearly seen physically in any department, and that is the burning passion of Abhay Ramkar.
Oh, thank
Abhay,
you.
Abhay, I'm really, I mean, thrilled, delighted to see the passion that goes into every piece. From all of us at Jewel Buzz to you and your team to the art of silver. All the very best.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here. Thank you for coming here and
Your
taking
valuable
all of it.
time and your
Thank
valuable
you.
inputs.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Friends, Thank you for catching this episode of Jewel Buzz Talks. Tune in to find out who's next.